Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, we're going to show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. In order to do this, you need to download this app. So first, go to your app store. Now search followers on the search bar. Scroll down to this app called Followers Tracker and Unfollow, and then tap on it. Now just download this app. After that, open the app. Now log in with Instagram. Once you're here, log in to the app with your Instagram. After that, you will be able to see who doesn't follow you on Instagram. If you go to Don't Follow, you will get to see a list of people who doesn't follow you, and you will have the option to unfollow them. From here, just unfollow whoever you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, subscribe, and share.